I've wanted to be in the clinical trials to give something back, because I've had so much help. It definitely helps you understand asthma and all aspects of what the trial's about, with all the different drugs and treatments. And you think you're alone, and then you come to these trials and you understand that there's really people out there that want to help you. I'd been in hospital quite a few times with my asthma, and one of the nurses actually approached me and said, would I do some trials for them? And I said yes straight away. They gave me all the information on paper and I just went from there. The effect I have after doing the studies is knowing that there's someone out there who can help. You've always got people to talk to. A lot of times I've actually felt alone, and then I've looked back and thought, no, there's definitely someone out there who understands what you're going through. It feels really good that you're a part of a team, that you've got the support there from the nurses to the professors to everyone that's involved. If you do the clinical trials, the benefits you're going to get is you're going to find out about your asthma more in depth. You'll get the support from the nurses, the doctors. There's always numbers there for you to ring. They always say day and night and things like that. So you've always got the support, and it helps you really understand what you're dealing with day-to-day life. I think if there's any negatives, it would be from your work. That's the first thing that pops in. But if you ask for support and tell them exactly why you want to do the studies, they're usually pretty good. The other thing is travelling. I travel quite far. Most people can live near, but the trials and the nurses and all the professors always will give you the support. Before you enrol in the clinical trial, you need to ask the questions: is it going to affect your health? Is it going to affect your family? How far do you have to travel to do these trials? Does it hurt? And is there paperwork that you can read through and understand before you even commit to these trials? The nurse always explained it really well. It was step by step. As soon as you came in, they'd explain why you're there. You'd always have a questionnaire to say how you were feeling if you were up to the trial. And each visit you came in, they would tell you exactly what this day was going to be about. I want to do the multiple trials because I've been doing it since 2000, now 2018, so I've been doing it 18 years. I would definitely do another trial, a clinical trial. I would get the nurses and the professor, and I would say to them, ring me any time to help, and I will be willing to help at any time. I would recommend it to anyone. It's amazing, and the more people that come and do these studies, the more help and the more drugs and tests will be available for people. If you participate in the clinical trials, there is a way of you helping to get more of the treatments out there for the drugs and the different techniques they're using. You can help in years to come, all these scientific different aspects of doing the asthma trials.